front of me, I have Hostess Twinkies and Mrs. Freshly's Dreamies. I'm going to be blindfolded to see if I can tell which one is which. All right. Okay. Foul. I don't even know, because I don't really eat Twinkies like that, so. I have no clue. This one does have like a stronger like taste. I don't know. I don't eat Twinkies. I'm just gonna guess, okay? Because I truly have no clue. This one is the Twinkie, the real Hostess Twinkie, and this one is a knockoff. Oh, I got it wrong. These, if you want to save some money and you like Twinkies, get the Mrs. Freshly's. I think they're like $1 or $2 cheaper, and they don't really taste different. So.
Okay, now it's my turn. Oh wow.
Super sweet. You don't like them either?
I think this is Mrs. Freshly's, and this is Hostess.
And why do you think that?
Well, I kind of think Mrs. Freshly's don't have that much filling. I'm gonna go with this as being Mrs. Freshly's and this Hostess. This did not taste good at all.
Did you like the way Mrs. Freshly's tasted?
No.
They're both nasty, right?
Yeah, I didn't like any of these.
Well, you may take off your mask now. You got it right.